Hello students, here I am again back for you with new video. In our previous video we have seen how to form nouns from verbs. Now in this video we will see how to form nouns from adjectives and from nouns also. Okay, so let's first see from adjectives. So we can form nouns from adjectives by adding नेस. हम नेस ऐड करके कल ही हमने देखा था कि हमें अगर वर्ब एडजेक्टिव किसी से भी नाउन बनाना है तो हमें क्या करना होता है, सफिक्सेस ऐड करने होते हैं. वी हैव टू ऐड सफिक्स. ओके, सो बाय एडिंग नेस वी कैन फॉर्म नाउन फ्रॉम एडजेक्टिव्स. वी विल टेक सम एग्जाम्पल. हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स लेंगे तो आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग इज हैप्पी. Okay, then I can make noun like happiness. Okay, by adding NESS we can form noun from the word happy. Okay, we will take let's see another example. Mad, it's an adjective and madness will be noun. Okay, by adding NESS in this adjective we can make noun madness, like sad, sadness. Okay, now let's say another. Weak will be weakness, like ready, readiness, forgetful, forgetfulness, etc. Now we will see with sentence. Okay, see here, he got happy to see his result. Okay, here happy is an adjective, is used as an adjective. Now here his happiness had no bounds. Here this happiness is working as a noun. Okay, now let's see. By adding ITY we can form nouns from adjectives. Okay, see with examples. The first example I am going to take is probable, and the noun will be probability. Okay, by adding ITY we can easily form nouns from some adjectives. Okay, now we'll take another example, that is responsible, and the noun will be responsibility. Okay, let's see one more example. Possible, and its noun will be possibility. Okay, we can take one more example, like scarce, scarcity. Okay, there are some more examples also, like able, ability, stable, stability, etc. Now we will see it with sentence. Okay, see here मैंने एक example लिखा है. He is very responsible person. Here this responsible word is an adjective because it is defining this person. ये एडजेक्टिव है क्योंकि ये पर्सन, ये जो नाउन है, इसे ये आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है, मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, डिफाइन कर रहा है. ठीक है, अब यहाँ देखिए, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज मेक अ मैन स्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, यहाँ ये जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज वर्ड है ये एज अ नाउन यूज हुआ है. ओके, now we will see how to form nouns from nouns. Okay, so by adding HOOD we can make noun from the nouns. Let's see with example. The first example I am going to take is child. Okay, it's a noun, and childhood is the new noun which can be formed by adding HOOD in this child. Child ये एक noun है और इसमें HOOD ऐड करके हम एक new noun form कर सकते हैं childhood. Like adult, adulthood, neighbor, will be, the new noun will be neighborhood. Okay, we can also form nouns from nouns by adding ship. See with example. Okay, the first noun I am going to take is friend. Okay, and the new noun will be friendship. Okay, another example is leader. Noun will be, another noun will be leadership. Okay, now partner. The new noun will be partnership. Okay. Now I think you can easily form nouns from verbs, from adjectives and from nouns also. Okay. अब मुझे यकीन है कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से नाउन्स फॉर्म कर लोगे. ओके, अगर आप लोगों ने इसके पहले वाले वीडियोस नहीं देखे होंगे तो उसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी है, आप जाकर वहाँ देख सकते हैं. अब हम मिलेंगे हमारे नए वीडियो के साथ. अंटिल देन, गुड बाय, सी यू.